In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw support and resistance in TradingView. So whichever pair you are trading, whether it is gold, SAUSD, BTC, NAS100, GPP, Ethereum, for any pair you are trading, what the first thing you need to understand is you have to draw from, for a support and resistance to have like strength, you have to draw it from higher time frame, that is 1 hour and above 4 hour. Preferably, personally, I like to be drawing from 1 hour, but you can draw it from 4 hour. Yeah, and for swingers you can draw from daily or weekly. So I'm gonna go, because 1 hour and 4 hours you will be seeing the same both highs and lows. There is not going to be much difference. So I'm going to draw it from 1 hour. And what you need to understand is, if you want to draw support and resistance, you have to draw from when there is the highest reaction and the lowest reaction. So, and also you can go like 2 weeks or 3 weeks back. As you can see, this is 1 hour, and this are the sessions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 days. So that is the second week. Third week you can go like from third week is enough. So where do you see the highest reaction? This is the highest reaction. And where did you see the lowest? This is the lowest reaction. So you can simply just draw it from there. How do you draw it? You can simply just go to, so what you're gonna do is just go to this geometric shapes at the left hand side, click on it and look for the rectangle. You can simply just favorite it so that you can see it here. Yeah, after I click on it, as I told you, highest high and the lowest low, then you draw it from the week. Then you click on it again, and from this highest high, as you can see, you draw it here from the week to the body. Not that too much of a big, don't make it too big. As you can see, this support and resistance, the price respects it. Either it breaks through and continue in opposite trend, or it retests and continue from where it comes back from. As you can see, after so many retests, it actually breaks through, and that is why we have been seeing sales on BTC, because this is BTC. And also same as SAUSD, if you want to draw the line, you just find the highest high. For example, this, assuming this is not here, you want to draw it from the last week, you can just go to your rectangle, you draw here because this is the highest high. But as you can see, price didn't come back there again. Another lowest high, draw it. As you can see, as price come lower high, it come again, another lower high, it come, then come and retest here again. As you can see, a little bit of buying option. So that is how you draw a line. You draw it on the higher time frame, and you draw it from the very highest reaction and the lowest reaction that you can possibly see. This comes with intuition, and it comes with reps of, since when you have been doing it. That is when you are going to spot the highest and the lowest, the highest point in which you are going to draw your support and resistance. And the higher the time frame, the higher the probability is gonna, your support and resistance is going to have. And that's simply it. Hope this was helpful. Can you like and subscribe? Thank you for watching.